We can assist you if you're having trouble locating the top internet business concepts for 2023. Making the appropriate internet business decision can truly affect how successful your work is. Make sure you take into account the industry that best fits you, and that you are knowledgeable about it. Don't create a business on the internet solely to generate money, because there are already so many businesses there. You should think of a unique concept that other businesses don't provide to their clients. So before we continue, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of more interesting videos just like this one. Let's now have a look at the top beginner-friendly online business ideas for 2023. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is all the rage now. Many companies around the world are looking for AI software to solve user problems. Many experts believe that artificial intelligence will change the world in the future. It's hard to disagree with that, especially given the emergence of chatbots, voice assistants, and driverless cars, all powered by artificial intelligence. Currently, AI is mainly used in programs that need data and the ability of computers to recognize it, like a content relationship management system. Other AI-based business ideas include stock prediction, language recognition and translation, crowdsourced knowledge, and tax document preparation. Number 2. Digital products. The simplest way to get a passive income is to sell digital products. You're not limited to how many products you can sell, and you can earn money even while you sleep. A company is worth it when you wake up in the morning with money in your account. There are many types of digital products: ebooks, templates, software, applications, online courses, and so forth. Do you have the skills to create products that enhance the workflow of other companies? Then go make some money. Number 3. Blogging. Although this field may seem overdone, it's still profitable. You might think that nowadays many businesses are investing in blogging and the internet is overrun with blogs. Just because it's a saturated area doesn't mean you shouldn't invest in it anymore. If anything, it just proves how popular blogging is. There are many blogs that focus on SEO and don't provide quality content. Don't get me wrong, SEO is important, but if you're ranking on the first page of Google and people are leaving your blog after 30 seconds, then there might be some question marks. Moreover, if you do a little research, you'll find that many articles don't actually respond to users' needs or issues. So this is your glory time. Do you have topic ideas that can help readers get useful information? Start a blog. Number 4. Graphic design. Even though there are plenty of tools online which help to create visuals, some companies prefer to hire a third-party entity that can create all the graphics, illustrations, and images. Entrepreneurs like you need to design their websites with catchy visuals that can attract the attention of visitors. And let's be honest, if you don't have an artistic sense, such tools cannot help you find your way through colors, elements, alignments, and so forth. However, graphic design is not only about web design. It also includes designs for t-shirts, flyers, posters, and various other items. Did you know that 90% of information sent to the brain is visual? Number 5. Web development. Have you ever navigated through a website and thought, geez, this website could look way better? If yes, then web development may be your match. You can make full use of freeware and open source software, so that fees are practically non-existent. You can start a web development business or earn money as a freelancer if you have a laptop, internet connection, and free time. Number 6. Digital marketing. If you want to jump on the bandwagon, digital marketing is a good idea to start your business. It connects a brand with its customers when they are online and works in all industries. Consumers now anticipate and rely on digital content and marketing as a way to learn about brands, since more than half of the population, exactly 66.2%, uses the internet nowadays. You can get inventive and test out different methods on a budget, because digital marketing has so many possibilities and ideas available. Number 7. Online coaching. Online coaching is a service online business idea and a fantastic way to help people from almost any field or social background. The industry offers a wide range of specializations, including in-demand specialties like online business coaching, online nutrition coaching, online coaching for life and fitness, and so forth. There are more opportunities available to trainers who work with clients online than those who only offer in-person sessions. You can work with clients from all over the world and set your own hours. Number 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves partnering with a supplier to sell their products on your site. Simply put, you buy products from Amazon, AliExpress, or other e-commerce sites and sell them through your platform. This is an online business that can be run from home while drinking a hot chocolate in your pajamas and listening to some good jazz. Like blogging and graphic design, dropshipping can be a useful small business idea for teens. Dropshipping is low cost to start, and the best thing is that you don't have to store and ship the products. This is a job for your supplier. You should focus your efforts on marketing the products and creating a trustworthy relationship with your customers. Make sure you choose to sell a wide variety of products such as electronics, furniture, fashion items, and so forth. Just make sure you add products that are in high demand if you want your company to succeed. Number 9. Podcasting. If you know how to get people's attention with a few words, and you love to share your thoughts, you should launch your own podcast show. For some people, podcasts speak visual and written content. It has become a very popular type of content and people enjoy it while doing other things like cooking, driving, cleaning, working out, and so forth. If there are topics that other podcasts don't cover and you have some valuable insights, create a website to host your podcasts or upload them on YouTube, Spotify, and other video channels. In the beginning, you can earn money through affiliate marketing by promoting other companies' products. Number 10. Become a video or photographer. As stated before, people enjoy visual content, whether it's a video, image, or graphics. In addition to grabbing the reader's attention, using high-quality, professional photography and video content for your website, social media accounts, and other digital channels increases businesses' visibility. One of the most useful techniques for improving the performance of your content is the use of images and video content. So if you have a camera and some photo/video skills, you can work with companies to create visual content for them. Or add your images to stock websites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, 500 Packs, among others. Congratulations on taking the first step toward exploring online business ideas for beginners. Starting a business can be daunting, but the digital world offers endless possibilities for anyone with an entrepreneurial spirit. From blogging to e-commerce, there are many ways to turn your passion into a profitable online business. Remember, success does not come overnight, and it requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. In this video, we've covered some popular online business models that are perfect for beginners. But there are many other ideas out there, so don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and insights to kickstart your online business journey. Remember to stay focused on your goals, keep learning, and never give up. The road may be bumpy, but the rewards are worth it. Good luck! That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon, and thanks for watching.